Hello everybody, thanks a lot for clicking on this video. My name is Nwadiuto and I am a teens coach. In our previous video, we did a little bit of visualization to help our children become all it is that they desire to be in the new school year or new school term or semester. We ended up that video doing the 3 S's. This is another way, or you can even add this to the 3 S's that they have done. But this is majorly for preteens and teenagers. So for the image that they have just seen of how they want the school year to go or the school term or semester to go, tell them to tag it. They should give it a name. Short, precise, we know when it's going to be ending. So it's more like carving a goal out of what they have just seen, making it as smart as possible. And tell them to make a plan. We're making a plan towards the image that they saw during visualization. That thing you saw, how will you get there? How will you make it a reality? So sit and make a plan. After they've drawn up a plan, so when they bring it to you to show it to you, our jobs as parents will be to ask them, so after you've accomplished this that you have written, is it going to take you nicely to that image that you saw during visualization, that experience you had during your visualization process? Is this going to deliver it nicely? If it wouldn't, do you want to go add more things to it that will take you there? But if it would, then on to the next one. After they've drawn up a plan, ask them how they're going to be consistent and how they will stay focused on achieving the steps that they have written. They've made a plan. Share with me, how are you going to stay consistent to the end of the school year or to the end of the school term? How will you stay consistent and focused on this plan that you have made? When they share it with you, tell them to add it as a step to the various steps that they have written in their plan. Who is going to help ensure that you stay focused? Who is going to help ensure that you stay consistent? They should identify someone or 2 people, then they should add it to their plan. What they're going to be adding to their plan is when they're going to be telling that person that the person is going to hold them accountable. So when we say to some preteens, who is going to be your accountability partner, they might not really get it. But when you explain to them who is going to help you ensure that you stay committed and that you stay focused to these plans, then they will get it. So they should appoint somebody, which most times is likely the parents, or it could be a friend if there is something else that they have put in their plan that they would love to achieve. And after that, it's simply time to execute. Carry out the plans that you have written, and it will take you nicely to that wonderful vision or picture, image that you saw during your visualization. Guess what? These steps also work in any other area of our lives, not just for our children, even for us as adults. Once you can be able to see what you want, visualize it, embody it, then you make a plan. Ask yourself, will this deliver it? If it wouldn't, add more things. How will you stay consistent and focused? Add more things to it. Then who is going to hold you accountable? When will you be appointing this person and telling the person all the plans you have and for them to hold you accountable? This can always deliver on any goal that we choose to achieve. Thank you so much for staying through to this video. If you love this video, kindly give this video a big fat thumbs up for me and subscribe if you've not done so already. I'm going to be seeing you all in the next one. Bye-bye.